So when you create yours, be sure to share your knife. Be sure to share your knife sheath. Now, very important here, have your D-rings ready and in your line of sight, just in case you close everything up and forget to install them. So when you've created yours, be sure to share your knife sheath. This particular skin, you'll notice quite a suede-like finish. So this is what you call the nap, and it feels a little bit like fur. Oh! So this particular skin has... So when you've created yours, be sure to share your knife sheath. A knife sheath. It's not a kebab. F off. And when you've created yours, be sure to share your knife sheath. I nailed it, then forgot what to say.